Have you ever wondered what pure happiness sounds like? To some, it's silence. To me, it's the chaotic, melodic, and perfectly imperfect howls. Remind me every single day that the simplest things are the most important. They don't ask for much, just a hand to pet them and a heart to love them. But in return, they give me a celebration every time I walk through the door. Their howls aren't just noise. They are a welcome back song for the soul. They don't care about the stress of the world outside. They only care that their favorite person is finally home. Their howls are their way of saying, "We're so glad you're back." And honestly, the feeling is mutual. If you have a dog that makes a scene when you get home, consider yourself the luckiest person on earth. I know I am. In a world that can be so loud and confusing, there is something so grounding about the pure, vocal love of a dog. This is my welcome home committee, and I wouldn't trade their beautiful awoos for all the peace and quiet in the world. Tell me in the comments, does your dog bark, howl, or just grab a shoe when you get home? Let's celebrate our welcome home committees.